Hermes Gasparini versus Matt Mask. The rematch is confirmed. Welcome arm wrestlers, I'm Pradeep from Arm Wrestling News and today we will be talking about 5 things that we need to know about this rematch. Number 1. History. Now before we start this, there are a few things that I would like you to know about the history of these two. They had a best of 5 super match on August 16th, 2019 and Matt won that match 3 rounds to 1. Now obviously Hermes was not very happy with the outcome of that match, so after the match on the side table, he realized that he was able to beat Matt very easily in a slow pull. Then he went on to complain how he felt cheated. Last month, Hermes challenged Matt for a $10,000 rematch at a neutral place like Istanbul or Dubai, where his manager was putting up the prize money for the winner. Matt did not accept the challenge because he felt that $10,000 for an international event, that was not a lucrative enough offer for him. Matt asked him to increase the prize money and the match was left hanging in the middle of nowhere after that. Number 2. When and where? Engin Terzi is organizing the rematch on June 12th in Istanbul. Both Matt and Hermes have confirmed that the match is on. You can watch it on Hermes Gasparini's YouTube channel. Live or edited version? We don't know for sure yet. Number 3. Matt said that he is not a very good practice puller because he needs his high levels of adrenaline to perform well on the table. And that level of energy and excitement is very difficult to bring on a practice table, especially if you have already beaten someone. He even said that he has lost all the respect he had for Hermes because of the way he behaved and complained about the match. Because he knew all the rules well in advance. I have to agree with Matt on this one. Round 1, Hermes went early and pinned Matt. I did not see him complaining about the ref or the setup for that first pin. So whatever Matt did in later rounds, he started that in round 1. Number 4. We have already covered a little bit about how Hermes felt cheated in the setup. Yesterday he posted this on Facebook. My match against Matt Mask is confirmed to be held on June 12th in Istanbul. I'm happy that we will actually arm wrestle with the rules this time. I wasn't able to beat Matt plus Bart, but I'm confident that I will defeat Matt without Bart. So he seems to be equally angry with Bartwood, who is the referee of their previous match. Bart replied to that. I find it funny you don't ever mention I explained things to you the day before the match and the day of even going over how guys top roll in the WL. Be a champion when you win and be one in the defeat. Don't blame others. Everyone is giving Hermes a very hard time. He is a young and promising arm wrestler. Maybe he felt something on that day during the afterpull that none of us felt. The match was definitely in his head for a long time because hopes and expectations are always very high when you have pinned Michael Todd a couple of times. And don't we all want a rematch so bad when we lose in a close match? Number 5. My prediction. Matt is very confident that he will refresh Hermes Gasparini's memories from the previous loss, and he should have no problem beating him again. Hermes has been arm wrestling for more than 10 years now, but he is still very young. He started arm wrestling at the age of 17. So it is safe to assume that in the past 2 years, even with the same amount of training, he could have gained more than Matt Mask. Because he is 13-14 years younger than Matt. He was 235 pounds or 106 kilos when he pulled Matt in 2019. Now he is 253 pounds or 115 kilos and he still looks lean. This is one of the hardest matches to predict because it depends a lot on the speed and who goes first. The match could go either way. Matt definitely has a chance to beat Hermes, but I would go with Hermes Gasparini 3 pins to 1. And now I have some questions for Engin, Hermes and Matt Mask. Matt did not agree for the $10,000 offer earlier. So how much money is on the line for this match? It has to be more than $10,000. And Hermes Gasparini was putting up $10,000 last month. Is he still putting up his own money, his manager's money? If he isn't, Engin should allow him to put up the money to increase the total amount. And is this match also a best of 5? Because all of the previous matches in Istanbul were best of 5s. If you guys who are watching this video know the answer of any of these, please let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who thinks like you. My name is Pradeep and I thank you so much for watching.